Alright guys, this is my bike check, custom bike check. For grips, I got ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends, a custom powder coated Stollen Convict V3 stem, fit fork bolt. Can't really see it that good, but a Stollen headset, fit blade 2 forks, Tom Whitewall tire, Animal Tom Whitewall tire. I don't really know what rim that is. My friend's dad got it for me. Fit Van VH4 frame, DK seat post, DK cranks, Black Ops pedals, Stollen Clash ring sprocket, KMC chain, custom back wheel I made on Dan's Comp. It's got a Stollen roulette hub with Primo spokes and an Alienation black sheep rim. It's like the best rim I've ever had. And I guess, and a Stollen bottom bracket. I guess I'll do a sound check for you guys of the back wheel. Oh, let me redo that. Oh crap. Hold up a second. Dirty room. Oh, and a Fit FAF tire. It's pretty loud. Weighs about 23 pounds. I don't know how much because I just got that seat on there. And that's it. Be expecting more videos. Yeah. Alright, peace.